and welcome back to my channel. So you guys can probably tell it's a little different stuff because I'm filming the best friend tag with Barbara, and this is at her house. So the questions are on her phone, and you guys have seen her in many vlogs and things, and now you guys will get to know more about her and more about me and all that stuff. Question number 1 is, how and when did you meet?
Well, we met partially at school because I was in her brother's class, and partially at Temple. It was all around the same time that we just happened to realize I was in the same class as her brother and we go to the same temple.
Mm-hmm. And yeah, that's basically the story. Yeah.
It's not that exciting.
Yeah. Who is your first impression of her? So, when I was younger, I was one of those people that kind of just like followed people around, literally. If you ask anybody that I knew when I was younger, I just pretty much followed people, and that's what I did. I don't know why. But yeah, so I pretty much was like, oh, she looks nice, and I just follow her wherever she goes, and yeah, and then eventually we started becoming friends, and yeah.
Yeah, I thought you were nice. I was like, okay, this nice person's following me. Cool.
Okay. Yeah. What is your favorite memory?
Ooh, that's a crazy one.
There are way too many memories, and one thing you guys don't know, we've been friends for almost like over a little bit more than about like 20 years now. So we met when like I was 6 years old and she was like 8, because she's 2 years older than me. So there are so many memories.
Yeah, that's like having a parent pick their favorite child. You can't make us choose.
Literally, like, we've done like Broadway together. We've
went to shows together.
Gone to shows. And like
went to concerts.
There's so many things, and just like hang out like this. You can't tell us to pick. You can't tell us to pick a favorite memory. So, and that's literally way too many.
Describe each other in one word. I had one, but then I changed it. But supportive.
Yeah. I'm trying to think. What's the word? Strong.
List 3 items she always carries with her.
Okay, I'm gonna do this for Barbara. So she always has her phone, literally everywhere. Then she always has her wallet, literally all the time. It's a big wallet. And then, I'm trying to think, what is the third thing?
My wallet's cool.
Yeah. And the third
There's
thing
a peacock on it.
Is you always have headphones.
Yeah,
that I always know. So okay, those are 3 things.
Esther always has hand sanitizer that I always end up doing because I usually forget mine. Tissues.
Normally, I don't have. Sometimes.
Like if we go to, I'm thinking like if we go out like to the city or like a mall.
Yeah, I normally try to.
Like in your general bag.
Yeah.
And a phone charger.
Yes, I'm always prepared.
What is their favorite ice cream flavor? Ooh.
Okay. Well, you like vanilla.
Yeah, sometimes.
But then you also sometimes get weird ice cream flavor. Like you also. So right now I'm gonna say vanilla, but I know you like. Don't you like chocolate? You like the cookies and cream one.
I pretty much like almost.
Yeah, she likes everything.
I'm pretty much like simple with like.
Yeah.
I like to exchange flavors. I have my moments.
Yeah.
It depends on the day.
Yeah.
I'm stuck between vanilla and chocolate because I know you like both sometimes. But you like chocolate, but I know you don't like chocolate. Vanilla.
Yeah, vanilla. Vanilla with hot fudge though.
What is your favorite music artist / band? Wait, is this now or is this like then?
Now.
Oh, okay.
Hers is Collateral, and she likes Broadway. That's all she listens to, literally on her phone.
I mean, I'm gonna buy my shirt, people.
And mine?
Ooh. Did you have to pick one?
No.
You like DNCE, Harry Styles, any member from One Direction that has their own solo thing, Nick Jonas, Demi Lovato.
Yeah.
We do like Broadway too, but not as crazy as me.
Not like her.
What is her favorite movies of all time? Yours is Annie, isn't it?
Yeah, that's one of my favorite Broadway movies. Yeah, Broadway movie, but hers I would have to say would be Rent.
That's a good one. Yeah.
Yeah, that's literally what popped up in my mind.
Yeah, it's one of my favorites. I have like a general like top 5 of, depends on like the day. What is your favorite movie of all time though?
I think it'd be Titanic.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that one. On a free day, what is she generally doing? A, sleeping late. B, gets up at a normal time. Gets up early. Well, Esther sleeps like 2 in the afternoon, so.
And Barbara will probably get up at her normal time.
Yeah, I'm usually up like maybe 9.
Yeah, and
depending on the day and what my family.
And then you'll see in our like Facebook chat, be like, "Oh, Esther's up now. Good morning, it's 11:30," or "Good morning, it's 1 p.m."
What do you admire most about your best friend? Ooh, that's a good one.
Okay, so I'll go for it.
Okay.
Okay, so I admire that she's still going for what she wants to do. Ever since we've been little, she always wanted to be in theater, and she's still trying to get into theater. So if anybody's watching and is in theater, contact her please and get her on backstage to work, because that's what she wants to do. And she keeps trying, even though who knows what's gonna happen. She keeps trying. That's what I admire about you.
Ooh, that was a good one. I admire most about Esther is that she's always there for you when you need her, and she's like your number 1 fan, your biggest support. And she goes for what she believes in and her dreams, and she does not let anyone stand in her way, and that she is graduating in May with her bachelor's, and I know it's very hard, but she did it. I'm proud.
Yay! That is all that we have for you guys. I hope you learned more information about us and being us as best friends, because we've been best friends for so long. It's crazy. So that is all, and I will see you guys next Sunday. Hope you guys like this video.
Like and subscribe.
Subscribe down below. And I love you all so much. Thanks for watching, and bye.
Bye.